Welcome back to another transit ride video. Today we're on another shuttle line, this time the Rockaway Shuttle. Our trip today consists of 10 stations total, from Rockaway Park, Beach 116th Street to Far Rockaway-Mott Avenue. Normally, the Rockaway Shuttle runs between Rockaway Park and Broad Channel. However, due to critical infrastructure work, the shuttle has been rerouted to Far Rockaway. During the planned work, the Rockaway Shuttle is running 4-car R46 trains, and operators are following normal one-person train operation procedures. I've seen some people frustrated by the fact that the shuttle will not be running new tech cars during this general order, but it doesn't make much sense to leave your CBTC-equipped trains stranded in the Rockaways for half a year, especially with the 8th Avenue CBTC project nearing completion. Those cars will soon be needed on the main line for when the 8th Avenue trunk is ready for cutover.
Shuttle Far Rockaway, 105th Street is next, and clear to close judgment.
This station is Beach 105th Street. Some of my longtime viewers may remember this station as the least used station in the entire subway system. It probably doesn't help its case that the only notable thing near the station is a wastewater treatment plant.
This is 105th Street, 98th Street is next, and clear to close judgment. Here's 98th Street, 90th Street is next, and clear to close judgment. This is 90th Street. 8 trains are now running between the Rockaways and Howard Beach JFK Airport because of critical infrastructure improvements. The service to Broad Channel and Howard Beach transfer at this station for free shuttle bus service. 67th Street is next. Stand clear of the closing doors.
As we pull out of 90th Street, take note that we are switching onto 6th track and going over Hamels Y instead of staying on 4 track towards Broad Channel. The line towards the city is currently out of service due to critical rehabilitation work. As you can see off in the distance, part of the viaduct connecting the peninsula to the South Channel Bridge is missing. This will be replaced with a new elevated guideway. Because of this, we're using the track that connects the 2 parts of Hamels Y. This track takes us straight from 90th Street to the 67th Street station without going to Broad Channel. Shuttle buses are running to both Beach 67th Street and Far Rockaway to help connect riders to the A train. This work is necessary to ensure reliability across the line. The Rockaway line has come a long way from being deemed useless by the Long Island Railroad and considered for abandonment by New York City Transit. Compared to many of the other lines in the system, the Rockaway line sees low ridership, with only 11,000 paid riders per day. In comparison, the Franklin Avenue Shuttle sees about 20,000 paid riders per day, and that line runs 2-car trains between 4 stops.
This is 67th Street. 60th Street is next. Stand clear of the closing doors.
The MTA's proposal for closing the Rockaway line saw heavy critique. The primary reason being that the Rockaway line is the only rapid transit line to and from the Rockaways. Without it, riders would be forced to take the Long Island Railroad to the city or ride a combination of buses just to reach other subway lines like the E or J trains in Jamaica.
This is 60th Street. 44th Street is next. Stand clear of the closing doors. The Rockaway Shuttle first started operations in 1956,
when the city started running subway service in the Rockaways after taking the line over from the Long Island Railroad. Trains originally ran from Euclid Avenue in Brooklyn to Far Rockaway and Rockaway Park. This service had many designations over the years, starting with the double H before changing to the E, C, single H, and finally the designation it has today, the gray S, which is the designation for all 3 shuttle lines in the New York City subway. Service was cut back from Euclid Avenue to Broad Channel in the early 1990s, however trains still ran light up to Howard Beach to Relay as the spur directly north of Broad Channel wasn't built yet. During summer weekends, the shuttle uses 8-car trains and is extended from its terminus at Broad Channel to Rockaway Boulevard to provide extra service to the Rockaways. This service change started in 2016 and has been a yearly occurrence ever since.
This is 44th Street, 36th Street is next, including the closing doors. This is 36th Street, 25th Street is next, including the closing doors.
Rockaway Park.
This is 25th Street, Far Rockaway-Mott Avenue is the next and last stop. Stand clear of the closing doors.
This station is Beach 25th Street. This station was used as a temporary terminal from 1956 to 1958, while the Far Rockaway station was rebuilt for subway operations. During this time, the Long Island Railroad terminal at Far Rockaway was relocated 3 blocks east, and with that, The track connection between the Long Island Railroad and the Rockaway line was severed. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video, and if you enjoyed, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.